Design ops teams can and should look different from organization to organization because any design ops practice should be designed around the design team's specific pain points and unique challenges. Because of this, there's a wide variation of different ways design ops teams can take shape. We're going to take a look at 5 common types of design ops team structures. The first structure is scattered. In many organizations, no one's even using the word design ops. That doesn't mean no one's doing design ops, right? Likely, even without labeling it, design managers and leads are doing ops-type work as they design. So in a scattered structure, lots of people are doing design ops, just unofficially. A potential issue within a scattered structure is lack of consistency. Often, someone will recognize this challenge and attempt to take on design ops more formally. And that's when the next type of design ops structure emerges, a dedicated structure. Here, either an existing designer takes on design ops or the company brings in a dedicated design ops role. This person is typically focused on damage control, tackling the most obvious pain points one at a time. Eventually, as design ops focuses expand, this one person might become a little overwhelmed. And what's more, they might not be interested in or even good at all of the potential areas of design ops that need to be addressed. So that's when the next structure emerges, specialized. Here, the design ops team expands by bringing in additional dedicated roles, maybe just a person or two, who can focus on specific programs or specialized slices of design ops. Eventually, if the design team keeps scaling, it could become pretty difficult for this small design ops team to keep up. That's when our next structure takes hold, distributed. In this structure, individual design teams start getting their own dedicated design ops support, like a program manager. These distributed roles then work together to ensure collaboration and communication is in sync across all of those teams. The final design ops team structure is elevated. This structure occurs when team-to-team tracking stabilizes, which lets design ops roles focus on more high-level, design-wide programs, maybe things like culture or growth. This type of design ops team might even have their own designers or developers who own the centralized tools and programs that they're creating for the design organization. Now, if you can identify where you are in this list, just remember, there's no right or wrong here. Where you fall in this spectrum is going to be determined by the overall UX maturity at your organization, your team size, and your level of need for design ops.